Hello there. You should try to see where I should enter, right? Okay. Okay, this is the limit here. And then the other side. Oh, send it to this. Okay. Okay, so we need to finish I think we have done everything. We have done the sum, the products division. We just have the last exercise to do, or was there something else we didn't do? Hello? I need to see anyone else. But maybe I should, I hope I doesn't forget to write what I did last week.
Mister,
Yeah?
you finished all the exercise?
All the exercises? You sure? I'm sure not.
Or the last? I don't remember.
The last one? Sum and product. Divide when you divide it? No, I think we did that at the last page. I remember. We needed the last page. Now I remember we had the 1 and the 6. No? I think I asked A, B, C, D, E for a group and F, G, H, I, G for the other group. And I don't remember which group I thought I asked. Remember now? We have to do this with a group and the other with another group. Yeah, I asked, but I forgot to write what to do. Maybe I forgot because. No, I didn't. Sorry for that. Okay. Well, I'm going to listen to volunteers. You're only 6. I can score many points. It's a good opportunity to score some points since you're only 6.
Monsieur, c'est lequel là qu'on fait?
C'est
le 1 ou le 6?
Both. Half of them. I do have with you today, and the other half with the other next week.
Yes, okay. So the 1 or 6? ABC.
1 and 6.
Okay. Yes, but ABC.
I don't remember how did I say this to split. I think I had asked something like this, and for the other part like this. I think like this because you have division simple, then I will have mixed number. I split it like this, I guess. So let's start. But I don't remember if I asked you to do this one and the other this one or the contrary. All I needed to do there was watch the video. Maybe I should have watched it before the lesson. When I was hiding, how did I split this? But so maybe someone in the live can tell me. Jeroen, hello. Wait, yeah?
We have to do this one, the left and right for the sixth note.
Non, non, mais
Yeah, fucking goes with the left for you and the right for the suit. Okay. So you're just going to do this and this. This and this. The other group next week, this and this. But it's only for the marking. You should have done everything. So I'm listening to you. Let's start. Okay. I'm on it. Well, you can say A B E. How to split A B E. Yeah. Okay. Where's Okay, so Amalin, I'm listening to you for A.
1/4 divided by 1/3 is equal to 1/4 multiplied by 3/1 is equal to 3/4.
And this can be written as a mixed number since 3 is less than 4. Okay. The next one.
2/4 divided by 2/7 is equal to 2/5.
2/4 divided by 2/7, you say?
Yes.
Does it? Really? No. 2/4. So you said 2/4. Because it sounds strange. 2/4 is not. You can.
Non, j'ai dit 2/5.
I said 2/4.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Divided by 2/7
Mm-hmm.
is equal to 2/5 times 7/2 is equal to 7/1.
And now you can write this as a mixed number. Because 7 is greater than 5. 3 was less than 4. So you couldn't write it as a mixed number. But since 7 is greater than 5, you can write it as a mixed number. But you can do it right here. It's easy.
It's equal to 1 and 2/5.
Yeah, because here that's 5 plus 2/5.
Yeah.
So that's 1 plus 2/5. So it's indeed 1 and how do you pronounce it?
2/5.
Yeah, 1 and 2/5.
Okay.
When it's greater than when the numerator is greater than the denominator, you can. So everything is going to say hello, please. I need to see my people saying hello. Let's see who is following the lesson. Strange. Next, so it's not the, should be the 18th. Yeah, the E. Right.
5 divided by 1 and 1 and a quarter equals 5 divided by 5 over 4, which is equal to 5 times 4 over 5, which is equal to 20 over 5.
Huh? You're very sure you should need to do this?
Which is equal to 4.
Yeah, you can directly simplify and get 4. Yeah, it's 20 over 5, and 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. We can directly do it. Okay. So can be written as a mixed number. It's already like a mixed number. I think I've lost something. Very strange. The next one? Okay.
F. So 6 divided by 1 and 1 and a half.
1.5. Yeah, and 1.5.
It's equal to 6 by.
Well, first of all, let 6 divided by and write this as a fraction.
It's equal to 3 over 2.
Yeah, this is 3 over 2. It's 2 plus 1, so it's plus 1 over 2. 3 over 2.
It's equal to 6 by 2 over 3. It's equal to 4.
Okay. Yeah, so 12 divided by 3 is 4. So you can just 6 is 3 times 2. It's another 3 is 2 times 2 is 4. So on this 6, but who is it in real life?
Il a mis Giro.
Hmm?
Il a mis Giro.
Huh?
Il a mis Giro.
Giro, yeah.
Ouais, c'est Méoued.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. So we just have the I left. You ready for the I? Okay, let's begin.
1 and 5, 12.
5, 12. Okay.
Divided by 3 and 3, 16.
16. Mm-hmm.
Is equal to 17 over 12
Mm-hmm.
times.
Divided. I want you for similar, okay, you write it this like this, okay? I'd like you to write it the same way. After you will set the time.
Divided by 51
Mm-hmm.
over 16.
Okay.
So is equal to 17 over 12 times 16 over 51
Oops. Because it was 17 here. Okay, yeah.
is equal to 1 over 3 times 4 over 3.
Well, actually, you can say that this is 17 times 16. You can write it as 4 times 4. Okay. Then 12 is
3 times 4.
3 times 4. And 51 is equal to
17
times 3. Now you can simplify.
And 4.
And what is left?
4 over 9.
4 over 9. And we can't simplify anymore. Okay. Okay, we're done for the exercise 1. Exercise 6. Maybe you need to let it 6 D, G, F. Maybe you wanted to let you extract 2-3 minutes. During the 2-3 minutes, je vais ranger mes affaires. Non, parce qu'après, je dois aller à une commission réunion à 17h. Il y a une réunion administrative à 17h, alors.
C'est BDF.
Je voudrais visiter à 17h30. Hein?
Non, c'est bon.
BDF, yeah. J'aurais pu dire BDE comme bureau des élèves, mais bon.
Et comme c'est loin, vous allez nous laisser à pied?
Hein?
Vous allez nous laisser à pied au lieu de 0,5?
De quoi?
Vous allez nous laisser à pied?
À 17h? Oh, je vous laisse à 18h05, comme d'habitude.
Ah, ok.
Mais disons que j'ai pas envie de me retrouver avec 3 milliards de trucs à ranger. Faut que je sois vraiment prêt à partir. Oh, je suis sur les tables en plus. Quoique, non, peut-être que je laisse libérer peut-être à 17h pour y faire les réunions. Enfin, disons qu'à 17h, il faudra quand même réfléchir sur les tables. C'est bizarre ça. J'ai dû marquer des trucs sur une autre feuille, c'est pas possible. À mon avis, je crois que j'avais pas cette feuille les autres fois et j'ai dû le marquer ailleurs. C'est un truc qui est pas normal. Pas normal ça. Il y a plus de participation que ça.
question in French because it's not with DNA but it's with math, please.
Ok.
Excuse-moi, pour l'enseignement scientifique en terminale, il nous a dit qu'il y avait 30 minutes de maths. Mais du coup, ce serait quoi les programmes vu que ceux qui n'ont pas de maths?
Je ne suis pas du tout intéressé à cet enseignement scientifique parce qu'on doit demander les profs de maths. Je voulais apprendre l'enseignement scientifique, je disais non. À un moment donné, j'ai dit c'est bon, j'ai de la seule. Pendant des années, j'avais fait, avant, quand il y avait les 5 ans, j'ai fait MPS. J'ai fait MPS par le passé, j'ai fait Euro, j'ai fait assez de trucs, j'estime un peu, qui sortent un peu du cadre de maths, mais j'ai plus envie de faire la pigeon, de faire SNP ou. En plus, comme je ne m'entends pas très bien avec Python, je préfère éviter. Et encore qu'on me fasse faire de l'informatique ou des trucs comme ça. Donc j'en sais, en fait, je sais absolument rien, je ne peux pas répondre à la question. Ton prof, il n'en fait pas? Il fait pas l'enseignement scientifique?
Camille et Madame Teigneur.
Non, le prof de maths, je parle.
Ah, le prof de maths. Bah, il ne fait pas enseignement scientifique, mais pas de maths.
Il faudrait que faudrait que je demande à mes collègues de maths ceux qui font enseignement scientifique à la rigueur s'ils peuvent m'enseigner parce qu'il y a ceux qui font enseignement scientifique qui sont au courant de la chose.
L'enseignement scientifique, c'est des profs de SVT, de physique, de maths.
Bah oui.
En première, mais en terminale, je crois qu'il y a quelques collègues de maths qui doivent le faire. Je sais pas lesquels. Il y en a peut-être 2 ou 3 ensemble. Je sais pas lesquels. Peut-être pas 0, je sais rien. So, shall we do the marking of BDF? So I have 1 volunteer, 2 volunteer,
BDF.
and 3 voters. So I have 3, 1, 2, 3. So, going first. Everyone is volunteer finally. I have to ask the dice of fate then. The night dice.
Pour la vie.
Yeah, pour la B, but I need to answer for the B.
On tire les dés pour les chaque. On tire les dés pour chaque.
And you're 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, volunteer. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And give it 6. I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Again, 6? You're kidding. Just be kidding. 3 times the 6. It's devilish. 5. No. 11. What's the B? Exercise 6. B. And the result at the end as a mixed number. So I'm listening to you.
3 and 1 fifth times 2 and 1 half and a half
2.5.
times 4 and 3 quarters is equal to 16 over 5 times 5 over 2 times 19 over 4 is equal to 2 times 2 times 4 times 19 times 5
Times, so times 19, okay, as you say. Times 19 times 5, okay.
over 5 times 4 times 2. We can simplify.
Mm-hmm.
So we remove yes. And it's equal to 38.
Okay. Can vary as a mixed number. Okay, thanks. Now for the D. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So what it will be so 1.
Sorry.
It will be so wow. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, again. Sorry, Melanie.
18 by 25 times 15 by, over.
Oh, could you repeat please? I think I was somewhere. So the D, yes, could you repeat please?
18 over 25 times 15 over 16 divided by 2 and 2/5 is equal to 18 over 25 times 15 over 16 by 5 over 12.
Okay. Well, because this is equal to indeed 12 over 4. 2 plus 2, 2 over 5, 12 over 5. Okay. Okay.
So it's equal to 3 by 6 by 3 by 5 by 5 over 5 by 5 by 4 by 4 by 3 by 4. And we can simplify the 3, the 5, and the other 5.
You can still simplify something.
What?
Oh, we can continue, okay.
So we have 18 over 64
But you can still simplify.
by 2.
Yeah.
And it's equal to 9 over 32.
Okay. And this can be written as
Vous pouvez simplifier où plus vite? Vous pouvez simplifier plus vite?
Yeah, here you could have written 6 as 3 times 2, and 1 over 4 as 2 times 2. Then you have to simplify the 2 and get this. Last one, F. 2. So this one. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, or odd or even. How do you say? Okay. Okay, let's say then odd number and even number. 2, even. Okay.
Brackets 4 over 5 times 4 over 5 brackets divided by brackets 1 and a quarter times 1 and a quarter brackets is equal to 16 over 25 divided by brackets
5/4 times 5/4 brackets is equal to 16/25 divided by 25/16 is equal to 16/25 times 16/25 is equal to 256/625.
Yeah, that's correct. And you can write it as a mixed number. And we can simplify, okay? Don't try to simplify, oh, the 2, the 5, the 6 is 1. Oh, please. Someone did miss odds. Oh. Okay. That's one last thing. If here I had 32/9 instead of 9/32, how could I have written this as a mixed number? I need someone. I want to write this as a mixed number.
Three and 5, 9.
3 and
5, 9.
5. No, it's not the ninth, it's the ninth. Yeah. 3 and 5 ninth. Mais c'est bizarre, vous n'avez jamais fait ça avec vos profs d'anglais, c'est comme ça. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth, non?
Un peu.
Un peu. Moi, je sais, j'en avais soupé, mais de ça. En cours d'anglais, je parle. Hein. C'est pour ça que je le sais, les trucs comme ça. Ok.
Bien sûr, pour le semestre, vous allez nous mettre une note d'oral,
Non.
une appréciation.
Ouais, ce sera une appréciation parce que de toute façon, les oraux que j'ai évalués, etc., ça je le compte toujours que pour la fin de l'année au troisième trimestre, une fois que tout le monde a été noté en fait. En fait, d'habitude, là, j'étais un peu perturbé en fait par un peu l'arrivée comme ça du truc confinement, demi-groupe, etc., qui fait que j'ai un peu de mal à me mettre au truc comme ça. Parce que normalement, les ratios, j'ai tendance à les faire un peu plus tôt dans l'année. Voilà, je l'ai fait, hein, c'est ce qu'on va commencer là. Mais après les ratios, je fais juste, j'avais tendance à faire, je le fais avant la période de Noël, et après, normalement, à ce moment-là, je faisais un devoir sur un film mathématique. Mais là, tant qu'on est en split comme ça, je ne peux pas le faire, ce truc-là. Vous avez un devoir noté. Normalement, il y a un autre contrôle qui est aussi le contrôle euro. D'ailleurs, j'en ai pas fait de contrôle écrit l'année dernière en seconde. Il va falloir vraiment qu'on en fasse un cette année. Je vais garder tout ça pour le deuxième semestre. Je préfère avoir pas de notes au premier semestre et avoir plus un étalage de notes au second semestre. Pourquoi j'ai fait arrêter plus? Ah, je vais pas arrêter plus, là, je reprends la suite. So now you're taking the paper because I gave you already, I had already given you. About the mixed number ratio. So I think this first page of ratio. So I know, so with some, I already have done this last year, but it's very important to see this. Hein? Ah, bien, il n'est pas entendu. Ratios. What is about ratio? It's like when you have some proportion, it can be kept. Okay. So this is a lesson again an English lesson, okay, from the same book. So look at this. We have the first definition. Oh, well, after all, you have the paper, okay? The other, you can see. So what is a ratio? A ratio is a way of comparing two numbers, two or more quantities, okay? So this is the definition, which you can express in a number of ways. So for example, so I always give examples like this, okay? And then you can understand through the example. So you're comparing the ages of two persons, Tasnim and Ziad. So Tasnim's age is 5 years old, and the other Ziad is 20 years old. So when you compare the ratio like this, it's this is pronounced 2. Okay, yeah. So it's 5 to 20. You can see that both of this number can be divided by 5. So you're dividing both sides by 5, okay? And you get 1, 2, 4. So it's what we call a simplest form of pair ratio. So 5 to 20 is equal to 1 to 4. You run it like this. Common units. Okay, it should give you the proportion. Okay, when you have 1 to 4, it means that this quantity, okay, is 4 times this quantity, and indeed 20 is 4 times 5. 4 is 4 times 1. 20 is 4 times 5. It gives the same proportion. So for example, when you need for the first number example, when you need to convert, okay, the units, in order to compare the ratio and to write it in the simplest form. So I'm going to convert the ratio of 125 grams to 2 kilograms. So you have to convert 2 kilograms into 2,000 grams. So now you have the same unity. Okay. Now you're going to compare 125 to 2,000. Well, maybe you can directly divide both by 125. But maybe if you don't have a computer to do like this, it will be easier for you to first going step by step, divide by 5. So you would have 25, for example. You can divide by 20 by 5. You have 25 to 400. Then you can divide again by 5 or directly divide by 25. You get 5 to 80. Then you can still divide by 5 and you get 1 to 16. So this ratio is simplified into 1 to 16. Okay? And the same you can convert minutes an hour like this. Since 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, you have to compress 25 minutes to 1 hour. Yes, 25 minutes to 60 minutes. So it's 25 to 60, and I don't see if you can see here. Well, after all, you have the paper, okay? It's 25. I can write to you like what is happening here. So it's 25 to 60, and it's equal to the 25 minutes to 1 hour. It's 25 minutes to 60 minutes. 25 to 60, you can divide both by 5. Again, 5. And it's equal to 5 to 12, and you can't simplify anymore. Okay? This is simplest form. Simplest form is like when you have, with the fraction, you can't simplify in fraction anymore. It's the same thing. This was an example. This was the first page. Second page now. Another example. Fraction. Okay. So we covered the ratio into fraction. Okay. So the garden is divided into lawn and shrubs. I forgot what was lawn and shrubs. Well, not the same. I mean, it's maybe there are kinds of grass or things of the flowers. I don't know, remember, but well, garden is divided into lawn and shrubs in the ratio 3:2. It means that this is taking 3 parts and the other takes 2 parts. So the whole number of parts is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. So the lawn will cover 3. You see? You have the land, you split it. You have 3 parts for the lawn and 2 parts for the ratio. So it's, imagine that you're splitting it into 5 parts. It should be 5 equal parts. Okay. It's not really correct here. If I want to do something really properly, it should be like this. 5 parts. So you have 3 parts for the lawn. And for the shrubs, 2 parts. Okay, so the part. So indeed, the lawn will cover 3/5 of the garden. Okay, while the shrubs will cover 2/5 of the garden. Okay, understood? Now, in this example, you can do these exercises. And oh, it's already the time. Okay. Now it's an example. So we're going to split now the work. Et dites-donc d'ailleurs, j'en profite pour dire aux gens que normalement ils étaient censés suivre le truc en distanciel. Donc les gens qui sont en distanciel là, c'est très bien, vous avez suivi. Donc ça veut dire que vous avez suivi ce cours, cette leçon-là, etc. Ça veut dire que vous allez pouvoir faire exercice pour la semaine prochaine. Parce que la semaine prochaine, je ne vais pas m'embêter à réexpliquer les trucs là. D'accord? Puisque je l'ai expliqué là, que les gens sont censés le suivre en distanciel. Donc en direct live. Hein. Donc voilà, for next week. And for the works after, okay? You have to do exercise 1 and 2. And we're going to split the thing. So for the week and the week after. So for you, it will be this and this. Plus we'll have, and for the other, it was not you for distortion. You have this and this, and I also add some exercises on the page with the fraction. Your exercise 3 and 4 for the distential. Distential, you have this plus 3 and 4. And for you here, we have exercise 5. Okay? I split. So we stop here. Bye. Please let me go and put the chair on the table, please.
Monsieur, vous leur avez adressé un lien.
Hein?
Vous leur avez adressé un lien, non? Vous avez écrit
De quoi?
aux gens sur-
Bah oui, enfin, j'avais dit le live.
Non, le lien, vous ne l'avez pas envoyé.
De quoi?
Le lien pour.
Il n'y a pas de lien, je veux dire, c'est sur mon compte.
Oui, mais vous ne nous avez pas donné le.
Bah, j'ai donné mon nom de compte.
Pourquoi?
D'Archipita, je vous avais dit le compte d'Archipita.
En fait,
Avec le questionnaire YouTube, je l'avais dit pendant le cours.
j'avais réussi à regarder, mais c'est pas
Normalement, à partir du moment où vous nous cherchez Darkipita, sur l'heure de cours, il devrait y avoir un truc comme quoi il y a une diffusion en direct de ce compte-là.
Ok.
Oui.
Pour le moment,